how to use YouTube search engine on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use search engine on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and scroll down. Here you will find this one, address bar search, and after you click on it, just click this one, select YouTube, and as you see, YouTube has been selected. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.